Log into your email account and click on the email which contains your Zoom invitation link. The meeting link can be seen at the bottom of the email in blue letters. Click on the blue link and you will then be taken to the Zoom launch page. If you have already downloaded the Zoom app to your desktop, you can click Open Zoom Meetings, and if you have not, you can click on Download Now. Once you click on Open Zoom Meetings, you will be taken to the Zoom app. If the host of your meeting has not started the meeting yet, you will receive a "Please wait for the host to start this meeting" message. You will be able to join once your host accepts you into the meeting. Once you are in the meeting, click Join with Computer Audio. This message will automatically appear when you join the meeting room. You will now be able to see the number of participants, the mute button, and the start video button. To leave the meeting, click on the red color Leave button in the right side corner and click Leave Meeting. You will now be taken back to the Zoom launch page. To download the Zoom application, simply click on Download Now and the app will start downloading. Next, click Run when you are asked whether you want to run this file. Finally, your Zoom application will install and open your meeting for you.